Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI avatars, and guess what? You can create one for free using Canva. An AI avatar can add a fun and engaging touch to your videos, presentations, or even social media. Let's jump right in and see how easy it is.
The first step is to go to Canva and select the size. I'll select video size. Click on Apps now. Scroll down the page and click Niro. It is a paid feature. Don't worry if you don't have Canva Pro, just watch the video on the I button to get free Canva. A few avatars are available. This is the one I choose. Here is where you can write your prompt. I'll copy my prompt and paste it here. Click here to select your language. You can see that there are a lot of languages. However, I will choose English US. The voice tone option can be selected from here. I'll choose Happy. You can select the voice for your video here. It is possible to hear 4 voices. After clicking each voice, we can hear a preview of the speech.
This audio is generated with Niro AI technology.
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 I select this one. Scroll down the page and click on Create Your Video. After a while, video will be generated. As you can see, our video has been ready.
If you want to remove the background, select the video. Click on Background Remover. After a while, the background of the video has been removed.
If you want to color background of the video,
click on the background and then select any color as your choice.
Let's check our video.
Hey everyone, and welcome to today. We're diving into the world of AI and learning how to create a cool talking avatar for your videos, all within Canva. Canva's AI features are getting more impressive all the time.
In order to apply another background, you must first select the background. I will search for animated background. I'll pick this one. Click on Set Video as Background. Select Niro AI. Select your avatar. Write your script here. Then select your language. Next, select Voice Tone. Click on the voice you wish to use.
Scroll down the page and click on Create Your Video.
Select the video and click Background Remover. Now that your video is ready, let's watch it.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel today. We're diving into the world of AI and learning how to create a cool talking avatar for your videos, all within Canva. Canva's AI features are getting more impressive all the time.
You can download it by clicking on Share. Click on Download. I will improve the quality of my video. Then click Download. That's it. You've created a free talking AI avatar using Canva. Hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.